Okay, hi again, it's me. Okay, so I've decided I'm going to do a wrist giveaway. So we'll see what I've got. I'm going to do a green short wrist giveaway, and how it's going to work is I'm going to go to my den. I'm going to hide. I'll show you what I'm going to hide. And the first person to comment the right spot where it's hidden will win the wrist. I'm going to hide. Let's have a look. Something that I don't already have in my den. Maybe a phantom. Plush. Oops. Phantom plush. Okay. Okay. There's two already in here. Oops, three already. Okay. I'm going to take them out. Okay. And what I'm going to hide is this phantom. Make sure there's no other phantoms in here. Okay. Now we'll just start with the first one. I'm going to hide this little plushie. So I'm going to hide it, and it's not going to be behind. Oh, that just sat on it. It's not going to be solidly like hidden. You're going to be able to see it, like, you know, it's going to be something visible. It's not going to be hidden right away, and it's going to be in this den, and it's going to be this plush, and that's all you have to do. So first person to comment on this video of where I have hidden the plush, I will hide it once I've finished the video. You will win a short wrist. So yeah, that's that. So I'll hide it once I finish up here. Like, it could be anywhere. It could be anywhere. But that is that. And I also want to say, because I missed this, I thought this was just an art competition, but it turns out to enter, it's a den item contest. So you go into your painting, say there's an item that you've always wanted, and yeah, there's an item that you like, a den item that you've always wanted. You go in. Okay, so this person wants like a phantom looking chair thing, and so they send that in, and then if AJ like it, then 10 winners will get picked, and their designs will become into the game. So how cool is that? I see you like making a, some sort of princess bed, because you know how they took away the beds and that. So I might try and draw like a princessy kind of bed, or I can't think of any other items that I really like. Maybe, well, they've already got lava lamps. It's a really hard choice of what you'd want. But yeah, that's really cool. So that, I thought it was just some art contest, but this is cool how if you get 10 people winning and your item goes in the game. Like, how awesome is that? That's actually really cool. But I couldn't think of an item except the, or maybe a shower, or like a yeah, give me some ideas. I'm a bad drawer anyway, I wouldn't win. But yeah, that's really cool. Getting some ideas, like dartboard. I want some sort of game you could put in. They've already got pool table, they've got fish tanks, got fridges, tables, cakes. I've still got calendars, candles, got rugs, pillows. Yeah, I'm thinking some sort of bed, and hopefully they'll just bring a bed back. Remember they used to have I made this bed. Remember they used to have like a toilet even. You know, what goes in bedrooms, like Bed, desks, wardrobe. Yeah, anyway, that's very interesting. So, well, I'm gonna go hide the plushie now, and I shall post this video, and when it is posted, the first person to comment the exact location will win it. The wrist. Yay! Oh, I've already even got a cuckoo clock. Yeah, and I'm going to start thinking about what den item. What den item? Indeed. Okay, well, that's it for now. Ciao!